Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the simplest but most impactful visuals in Power BI, Sparklines. They're small, elegant, and they can make a big difference in how you show trends within a table or matrix. Let's see how. But before we jump in, let's understand, what exactly is a sparkline? Sparklines are tiny line or area charts that live inside a table or matrix cell. Instead of using a separate line chart, you can show a trend for each row, all within your matrix. Alright, now let's see how to add a sparkline in just a few clicks. Here I have a table showing category of product and their total sales. Let's say I want to track the monthly sales trend for each product. First, select the matrix a table visual. Then in the values section, click the drop-down arrow beside total sales. After that, click on add a sparkline. In the dialog box, choose your date field as the x-axis and click on create. And there you go, each product category now shows its own mini trend line. Want to make it even more visually appealing? Let's format it. Head over to the Format pane, expand the Sparklines section, and now you can change the line color, add markers for data points, adjust thickness. This allows you to match the sparkline style with your dashboard theme. So where can sparklines really shine? Use sparklines to show sales trends per product, visualize website traffic over time, compare monthly patient visits in hospitals, display daily revenue trends by store. Basically, anytime you want to show row-level trends over time, sparklines are your go-to. Now let's quickly wrap it all up. Sparklines are small, but powerful. They make your matrix visuals more dynamic and insightful, all while saving space and reducing clutter. If this video helped you, give it a like, drop a comment with how you plan to use sparklines, and subscribe for more Power BI tricks. Stay sharp, keep exploring, and let your data speak.